Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the lymphomas as well as the chromosomal translocations. So what is present here? There is, we look at the lymphoid neoplasms. That is, there is a mantle cell lymphoma. So under the mantle cell lymphoma, the characteristics is involves T11 to 40, and this is the mantle cell lymphoma. Next, we look at the follicular. This follicular lymphoma. So as per the follicular lymphoma, it is nothing but the T14 as well as the 18. Next, we move on to the diffuse. The diffuse large B-cell lymphoma. So the diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, it involves again the T14 as well as the 18. So then we move on to the BL. BL stands for the Burkitt's lymphoma. So here it is the T814. Next comes the T218, 8 as well as the T822. Next we look at the MALT. The MALT lymphoma. The MALT lymphoma is nothing but the T11, 18.